Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in Computer Department of PPMP Polytechnic. In this video lecture, we learn infix, prefix and postfix form of expression from chapter number 3, Stack and Queue in Data Structure subject, whose subject code is 3330704 in Diploma Computer Engineering course. In this video lecture, we learn the following topic. First, polish notation. Second, infix, prefix, postfix form of expression. Then, rules for converting infix notation to prefix and postfix expression. And last, we learn convert infix into prefix and postfix expression. Now first, what is polish notation? The process of writing the operator of an expression either before their operands or after their operands are called the polish notation. They have three types. First, infix expression, second, prefix expression, and last, postfix expression. Infix, prefix, and postfix form of expression. Now first, what is infix expression? When the operator means symbol existing between two operands A and B, then it is known as or also called as infix notation or infix expression, like example A plus B. Now second, prefix expression. When the operator are written before their operands, then it is called prefix notation or it is also called polish notation, like example plus AB. Now third, postfix expression. When the operator plus are written after their operand, that is called postfix notation or it is also called reverse polish notation, like example AB plus. Stack is finally used to convert infix notation into prefix or postfix notation. Now, rule for converting infix notation into prefix and postfix notation. Now, first rule. The operators with high precedence are converted first, and then after, portion of the expression have been converted to postfix, like symbol. All type of counts have high priority, then next priority dollar and arrow sign, then next priority multiplication division symbol, and low priority symbol is plus and minus. Second, it is to be treated as a single operand. Then third rule, take only two operand at a time to convert in a postfix or prefix, like AB plus to convert AB plus or plus AB. Then fourth rule, always convert the percentiles first. Then fifth rule, convert postfix exponentation second if there are more than one exponentation is sequence, then take order from right to left. Then 6. Convert into postfix as multiplication and division operator left to right. Then last rule, convert into postfix as addition and subtraction left to right. Now convert infix into prefix and postfix expression. Then first equation is AB plus. It converts prefix expression. The answer is plus AB, and it also converts postfix expression. The answer AB plus. Now second equation, AB plus plus C. Now it converts stepwise. Then step number 1, first AB plus is convert, then it's give answer plus AB and also write as it is equation plus C. Then step number 2, then convert the plus C equation, then give the answer plus plus ABC. Now it also called postfix. Then step number 1, only take single equation AB plus. So it gives the answer AB plus, and also write as it is equation plus C. Then step number 2, we convert plus C equation. So we give the result AB plus C plus. Now third equation, A into counts simple counts plus B plus C, then counts complete. Then first we solve the counts in prefix equation, then we give the result in step number 1, A into plus BC. Then step number 2, convert the multiplication symbol, then give the result multiplication A, then counts plus BC, counts complete. And then we remove the counts. Step number 3, we give the result multiplication A plus BC, then postfix expression. Then we give the first solve the all type of counts. Then step number 1, give the result BC plus. Then step number 2, solve the multiplication symbol. Then we give the result A, then counts BC, then plus, then star. And then remove the counts. Then step number 3, we give the result ABC plus star. Now another equation, infix equation is counts A plus B, counts complete, then multiplication C. Now it converts prefix and postfix expression. Then step number 1, first we solve the counts, then prefix plus symbol is always before, then plus AB, then write as it is star C equation. Then step number 2, solve the multiplication, then before the star, then result is star, then counts plus AB C. And then step number 3, remove the counts, then give the result star plus ABC. Now this equation convert postfix equation. Now the symbol is goes to the after operand. Then first solve the all type of counts, then write step number 1 AB plus, or write the same it is equation before. Step number 2, then counts, solve the multiplication equation, then we give the result AB plus, then C multiplication. Then step number 3, remove the counts, then give the result AB plus C multiplication. Now solve the another equation, counts A plus B, counts complete, multiplication, then counts C plus D, counts complete. Now this equation solve the stepwise. Then step number 1, first solve the AB plus count, then it give the result plus AB, then write the after equation as it is. Then step number 2, solve the C plus D equation, so it give the result plus CD. Then step number 3, solve the multiplication symbol, so it give result multiplication plus AB plus CD, and then remove the counts. Then step number 4, the final answer is multiplication plus AB plus CD. And then it's convert postfix expression. First solve the A plus B counts, it give the AB plus result. Then step number 2, solve the C plus D, it give the result CD plus. Then step number 3, solve the multiplication symbol, it give the result counts AB plus, counts complete, then counts CD plus, counts complete, then multiplication. Then remove the counts. Step number 4, give the final result AB plus CD plus multiplication. Now solve the another equation, A minus B plus C into A plus B. In this equation give the multiple operator. Now first check the priority of symbol and then solve this equation. Now step number 1, solve the A minus B counts. Then prefix equation, it give the result minus AB. Then Step number 2, solve the multiplication symbol. So it gives multiplication CA. Then step number 3, solve the A plus B symbol. So it gives the result plus multiplication CAB. Then step number 4, we solve the plus C equation. Then it gives the result plus, then comes minus AB, comes complete, then plus multiplication CAB. And then final result is goes to plus minus AB plus multiplication CAB. Same to follow the postfix rule and solve this equation, then give the final result AB minus C multiplication B plus plus. In this equation, we convert the prefix expression. Now, it gives the double counts A plus B, then star C minus counts D minus E, then counts complete, then dollar counts F plus G. Now, this equation solve the stepwise, follow the prefix rule. It gives the final result dollar minus multiplication plus ABC minus DE plus FG. Now, this equation convert the postfix expression. We take the same equation to solve the postfix expression. Now, follow the rules of postfix expression and solve the one by one single step. It gives the result AB plus C multiplication DE minus minus plus FG dollar. Thank you so much for watching this video.